Hello everyone, here in this video we'll discuss how to copy and paste on a Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To copy text on a Chromebook, simply select the text, right click on it, and here you'll find copy option. Alternatively, you can also use keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl C. Now to paste the copied text, simply navigate to the application where you want to paste the text. Then right click on it and click on paste, or else you can also use a keyboard shortcut Ctrl V. Now let me show you how you can copy files. For that, simply navigate to the files, select the file, then right click on it, and here you will find a copy option. Now to paste the copied file, simply navigate to the location or application where you want to paste the copied file, right click on it, then click on paste. And here you can see the copied file has been pasted. So that's it. This is how you can copy and paste on a Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.